Hi guys, thank you for watching. It's Leslie. I've got a Rockets of Awesome review or unboxing for you. Again, if you are a subscriber, thank you so much for rocking with me. And if you are new here, please do consider clicking that subscribe button below. I would love to have you. As usual, I normally open up the box. My daughter will never let me wait on these kind of things. So we opened up the Rockets of Awesome box already. Here it is. Here it is. Let me get my Rockets of Awesome shot right now. So yeah, we've opened it and we've taken a peek. We've looked at it. As you know, as you may know, now Rockets of Awesome lets you keep everything in the box for $150. So you get 8 items. You can pay $150 to keep the whole box, which yes is on the more pricier side of subscription kids clothing boxes, because I know Kid Box is $98 to keep the whole box and Kid Pick is about $100 or so. You get a little bit more items than in Kid Box and Kid Pick. I think you get like 6 or 7 items in there. You get 8 here. So just something to keep in mind, but you can keep the whole box for $150, or you can buy piece by piece. Of course, you keep what you want and you return what you don't. So let me go one by one. Oh, and of course, if you remember with Rockets of Awesome, you do get to peek and see what they're going to send you, and then you can exchange. Like if you see, like they show you the 8 items, and if you don't like, I think 4 of them, you can switch them out for a different 4, which is fun. It's fun. Sometimes the things that you see on the screen aren't exactly what you thought in your brain they were going to be, and when you get them in person, you're like, oh, I don't like that as much. But for the most part, it allows you to be able to get a box that you actually really want. So you're more likely to actually pay the $150. I don't think I'm paying the $150, but we'll see. Okay, so first we got a pair of shorts. This is all size 6/7. So if you know Rockets of Awesome, they have like 4/5, 6/7. They kind of go like both double sizes. It's not like true to size. It's like, yeah. So it could run a little bit big. It could run a little small. You just really have to try them on your kid before you order. These are the Pineapple Varsity Short in Cool Heather Gray, and these are $22.50. So you see the pineapples on them, the pink pineapples, $22.50 for those. We did get another pair of shorts. I like these a little bit better. These are the Knit Dolphin Short in Heather Peach Glow. I love the color on these. I love the color. And these were $19.50. So that's the price if I were to buy everything piece by piece. And of course, if you buy the whole box, you do get the discount. Now, there was this dress, which is the Rainbow Midi Dress Multi. And this is $39.50. So it's got a throwback look to it. It's got the smocked top. This looks like something I would have worn in the 80s for sure. And it's got the flounce at the bottom. My daughter actually really liked this. I'm kind of dismayed that it's $40 though. Like, do I want to pay $40 for that? But she really liked it, so I might get it for her. Although it looks very throwback. We'll try that on, see if it looks like something I want to keep on her. But anyway, then we got this pair of leggings. Now, I don't think I'm keeping the leggings. I really wanted shorts, but I had to throw something in there. So when I was exchanging what was on the screen, I just threw these in there to see, but I'm not keeping them. These are the Star Legging in black. These are $19.50. Of course, they're just regular leggings with stars. Then we have this Glitter Love Twist Tee in black. So we've got the classic LOVE with a glittery heart, and that's got the twist thing at the bottom. and it's black. And I don't know, it's okay. Oh, and the L and the O and the V. The L, V, E are also glittery. If you didn't see that, they're white glitter. Then we have, oh wait, did I tell you? $22.50. That was $22.50 if I didn't tell you. This is Stripe Pocket Tee in Pink Punch. This is $16.50. So this is the cheapest thing in there, and it's because it's pretty normal. Got the pocket, but it's just a normal striped shirt. Other than that, $16.50. Then we have the We Are Awesome shirt. Rainbow Awesome Tee in white. This is $22.50. So, I mean, it's not much different than the $16.50 one, except it says We Are Awesome. So that's kind of their low slogan. And, you know, that was okay. We are awesome. And here's the last item. I think my daughter really liked this one, so we might keep it. This is the embellished Doodle tank in white, and it's $22.50. And it's got glittery palm trees and this, yeah, it's got a whole bunch of like cute little doodle things that are glittery and stuff on there. And that is that. Overall, I enjoy Rockets of Awesome. I think that they, since they've kind of changed their interface, they are definitely way more worth it. So if you, let's see. If you are interested in starting Rockets of Awesome, go ahead and click that link below. If you go ahead and click that link below, you can start your first Rockets of Awesome subscription, get your first box. I definitely love Rockets of Awesome, so maybe you will too. I don't think you get anything off anymore. You used to be able to get a free item in your first box. I don't know if they still do that anymore. I didn't see that on the website anymore, so I don't know. It looks like you don't get a free item anymore. I'm confused. But go ahead and try it. Go ahead and try from the link below, because you used to be able to get a free item in your first box from using my link. But if not, you definitely get to try Rockets of Awesome by clicking the link below, and then you can decide whether you want to keep the items or just send them right back. So it's all free basically. You don't have to pay anything up front. You get the box. If you like the stuff, cool, you get to keep it, keep what you want, send back what you don't, send back the whole box if you don't like it. That's the great thing about Rockets of Awesome. Okay, so that's pretty much it. It's pretty straightforward and it's lots of fun. My daughter loves getting subscription boxes for clothing, so she loves Rockets of Awesome. She loves Kid Box and Kid Pick. So yeah, definitely go ahead and find that link below. Click that subscribe button below as well, and I will see you guys in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.